करें स्टार्ट? या आई एम वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट कुकिंग.
कभी ऐसे नहीं सोचा था कि जो रेसिपीज हम क्रिएट करते हैं घर पे उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा.
खुशबू का जो जायका है ना वो सिर्फ आटे और मसालों का है.
आई एम अ बेकरी शेफ फ्रॉम प्रोफेशन.
I started because it's my passion.
I'm a mixologist. Hi, I'm Manu from Goa.
I am Reena Mukherjee, born in Kolkata.
My name is Seema. I'm from Faridabad.
Hi, this is Chef Karan.
Hi, I am Anisha Gupta.
My name is Sadan.
मेरा फोटे है बंगाली ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग.
मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट करना शुरू किया फूड के साथ.
Firstly, I was awarded by Chef Harpal Singh Soki.
मैं एक बार देख लूँ अपना पहले कैसा है थोड़ा सा.
रुक सकते हैं? सॉरी, कंटिन्यू करूँ ऐसे ही कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? ओके डन हो जाएगा.
आर प्योर का किचन किंग मसाला.
I wanted to explore the world of cuisine.
To experience different kind of food by traveling, by creating at home, I became home chef.
Home chefs are the one who knows actually what recipes are, because recipes तो हमारे घर पे बनती हैं, या तो हमारी मम्मियाँ बनाती हैं, या तो हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड्स बनाती हैं, या तो हमारी बीवियाँ बनाती हैं. I think they are the one who know what they need to cook, how they need to cook, and how they need to present. So I'm very excited for this Home Chef Challenge series, which is presented by TV9.
होम शेफ को प्लेटफॉर्म देना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और हमारे पास मोर देन 100 पीपल एक्चुअली अप्लाइड फॉर एंड एवरी डिश दैट दीज होम शेफ्स मेड वर ब्रिलियंट एक्चुअली. आई मस्ट पुट इट दैट वर्ड.
Home chef is, as we see today, the India, apart from the professional chefs like me who wear a chef jacket and we cook in a hotel or a restaurant, we also have chefs who are cooking at home. So this is an initiative to bring them out.
Hello, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, and I'm your host, Shagurika Bhattacharya. And that's the grand opening of Home Chef Challenge, a big initiative by TV9 Digital. खाना बनाना किसे नहीं अच्छा लगता, खाना खाना किसे अच्छा नहीं लगता, लेकिन खाना बनाना भी एक अपने आप में कला है और इस कला में हर कोई पारंगत नहीं होता. चलिए इसी स्किल को हमने भी ढूंढने की कोशिश की. We opened entries for Home Chef Challenge through our digital portal. And वहीं से ही शुरू हुआ ये सिलसिला, जहाँ पे हमें बेतहाशा एंट्रीज मिली और इन एंट्रीज को हमने संजो के रखा. Then we had 3 chefs on our panel. Chef Sabi Gurai, Nishant Chaube, and Chef Dhruva Oberoi. These 3 celebrity chefs, they helped us picking up the best out of them. इसके बाद हम पहुंचे The Grand New Delhi में.
Hello chefs, welcome to the Grand New Delhi. And thank you so much for accepting our invite for the Home Chef Challenge that we are doing in partnership with TV9. Thank you so much. You've already met the chef and he'll lead you the way. Thank you.
This is Chef Nishant and I've been chef for the last 25 years. I passed out from IIT Bhopal in the year 1999. I think I am very seasoned as a chef. I also like to tell you that I come from, a very, very tribal state, which is known for soul food, which is known for hearty food, which is known for tasteful creation. That's Jharkhand, where we have 32 tribals and every tribal is different from others. Why am I saying that? Because the Home Chef Challenge that is done by TV9 Digital is a unique platform to showcase those lovely flavors across India. I'm not talking about one region, I'm talking about entire India.
Hi, I'm Chef Sabi and I'm here at Grand judging this Home Chef competition. It's been a very long culinary journey for me. I've worked with multiple brands, multiple restaurants. Currently, I'm the president of the Young Chefs Association, also working as a mentor to various young students, young chefs.
So I'm Chef Dhruva Oberoi. I'm in the industry from last almost 17 years, cooking Japanese, modern Indian, European, and exploring a lot of other opportunities in terms of cooking more different kind of cuisines.
I would like to congratulate each and everyone जिन्होंने participate किया यहाँ पे और हमारे लिए 9 को choose करना is an uphill task actually.
फूड 9 चैनल के माध्यम से हमने हमारी जितनी भी एंट्रीज थी उनको पाया एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल द शेफ्स। तीनों शेफों ने वाकई में इन 9 पारंगत हमारे नवरत्नों को चुना जो आप पहुंचे होम शेफ चैलेंज में।
Hi all, this is Manm the sides. I'm very passionate about cooking, but then less popularly known as a HR consultant as well. That is something that I do full time. Definitely, nobody is born talented, right? Or you know, experience is something that teaches you. मैंने experiment करना शुरू किया food के साथ.
Yeah, hi, I'm Shell. Actually, I'm a bakery chef by profession. I started my journey since 2019.
Hi, I'm Manu from Goa. I'm a home chef, of course, and that's why I'm here at this platform to show my culinary skills. Along with being a home chef, I'm a mixologist and also the content creator.
आई एम रीना मुखर्जी, born in Kolkata and brought up in Delhi. 36 साल मैंने कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया। उस टाइम मैं कुलिनरी इसमें फील्ड में बिल्कुल नहीं थी, घर में ही खाना बनाती थी। मेरा फोटे है बंगाली ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग, जो आपको किसी रेस्टोरेंट में नहीं मिलेगा।
हाय, दिस इज शेफ करण। ये मेरा फर्स्ट कॉम्पिटिशन है, इससे पहले मैंने कहीं पर पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया एंड मैं TV9 को थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया यहाँ पर मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर पाऊँ और एक अपनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दे पाऊँ यहाँ पे।
Hi, this is Naina. As a profession, I am a lawyer. बट कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा था कि यहाँ पे आके जो हम घर में बनाते हैं उसको एक इतना दर्जा दिया जाएगा। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैलेंज।
Hi, I am Anisha Gupta and I've started my journey in around 2018, and firstly I was awarded by Chef Harpal Singh Soki, and from there I got the boost up and I started my culinary journey from there only.
My name is Seema. I've seen my mother cooking throughout and multiple types of dishes at home. So that also made my passion to follow that.
My name is Sadan and I'm a chef. I have started my cloud kitchen because I wanted to explore the world of cuisine.
होम शेफ चैलेंज इतनी आसानी से हो जाए ऐसा हो नहीं सकता था। So the twist came and that was the mystery box.
The word mystery itself is, I can't say what exactly is in the mystery box, but I can say what is a mystery box. So, जैसा mystery मतलब क्या होता है, जिसके अंदर there's something hidden, right? इसके अंदर कुछ है जो हमें पता नहीं है। So mystery box ऐसा ही सोचिए, there will be a box in the kitchen. There will be one ingredient inside it, which is the ingredient that we are not going to disclose to the participants कि what's inside.
Oh my God, क्या होगा? क्या बनने जा रहा है? क्या हो सकता है इस mystery box में? All 9 contestants were really bogged up.
So the 9 people were coming towards the stage where we were supposed to reveal the mystery ingredients. उनके चेहरे को देख के मुझे डर लग रहा था कि वो मतलब उनका रिएक्शन क्या होगा, बिकॉज जो मिस्ट्री इंग्रेडिएंट हमने चूज किया है वो इजी बिल्कुल नहीं है। अच्छे शेफ काम जाते हैं उसको बनाने के लिए, बट हमने ये डाला है होम शेफ के ऊपर।
Okay, welcome everybody. I hope you're super excited.
Oh yeah!
ये जो मिस्ट्री बॉक्स है, देखिए आपने चैलेंज तो बहुत फेस किया। You're all like माहिर है, you're all home cooks and I have eaten most of your foods.
मेरी जो फीलिंग्स थे वो ऐसे एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती। पहले तो बताया गया कि मिस्ट्री बॉक्स वो ही एक चैलेंज था, उसके बाद मन में आ रहा था कि इसमें है क्या।
मैं सच्ची आपको बताऊं, दैट वाज लाइक हमें पता था कि 2 डिशेस बनाने हैं, एक डिश आप अपनी पसंद का लेके आना और दूसरा यू विल बी गिवन सम गाइडेंस और समथिंग। अब पता चलता है मिस्ट्री बॉक्स है और एक सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट है जो आएगा और उससे बनाना है। ओह माय गॉड, माय हार्ट बीट वाज लाइक आई वाज एबल टू हियर इट।
When TV9 Digital told me there will be a mystery box and you will get a secret ingredient over there and I have to cook something out of it, I was like, how I'm going to do it? What will I curate?
आपको 2 डिश बनानी है। One have to be with the protein item mandatory and one anything that you like. ठीक है? And Chef Dhruv will tell you what are the difficulties of cooking this, and Chef Nishant will give you some tips. So, he's a nice guy. He just told me that he helps everybody, but you have to judge if he's helpful enough or not. So, all cameras, all eyes here. Guys, everybody ready for the mystery?
Drums rolling.
Everybody?
और जब खोला तो इट वाज मैं ये सोचने लगी तो एकदम दिमाग घूमने लगा, इससे क्या क्या हो सकता है। बहुत सारी चीजें दिमाग में घूमनी थी।
Once the mystery ingredient revealed, which Chef Sabi did, you should see the face of all the challengers. Oh my God.
When I saw the mystery box, it was really a surprise for me. Oh, I have to cook something out of this box only. And like first 5 minutes, I was totally blank. And then my thoughts were started because time was clicking on.
इस बार I think हमने बहुत tough mystery challenge दिया. I don't think so any of the challenges what India has seen the mystery challenge like this.
उस समय का अगर मेरा सिचुएशन पूछो तो ऐसे था, हाथ पैर फूल गए थे, नहीं पता था क्या क्रिएट करूं।
Frankly, if you ask me, when I saw the mystery box, when I saw the duck, I was like, भाई मेरे खुद के duck उड़ गए।
I was like blank, completely blank. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But yeah, it was definitely a do and die situation for me.
So beautiful whole duck. This is maple leaf duck all the way from USA. It's a Peking duck. So generally we use it for doing all kinds of Asian recipes. Over to chef.
Well, that's the most difficult meat to cook. I think every chef is scared. बहुत मुश्किल लगता है उनको ये पकाना, तो इसलिए आपको रेस्टोरेंट में दिखता नहीं है. So doneness is something which is very important. The texture is which is very important. The color is very important.
Duck cooking, breast cooking, and then slicing it, putting on the plate is very, very important. It should also be pink. It should not be well done. All the best.
Good luck. Good luck.
मोस्टली डक इंडिया में उतना पॉपुलर नहीं है और सब लोग नहीं बनाते हैं। हमारा ये भी था कि भाई अब जो नहीं बनाओगे, ये चैलेंज है और इतनी बेहतरीन प्लेटफॉर्म इनको दिया जा रहा है, तो हम क्यों ना ऐसा चैलेंज इनको दे जिसमें लगे कि भाई साहब आपने कुछ काम करके कुछ मेहनत किया है।
And cherry on the top was Dr. Pushpesh Pant. I think he's a legend, one of the best food historian we have got. So he just came to boost the energy, like, what contestant was supposed to cook. He has given some gyan on, what need to be cooked and how need to be cooked and what's the value of that particular mystery ingredient and how they can transform that to a dish which is very comfort and very unique at the same time.
I'm delighted to be here for the Home Chefs Challenge. And I think Home Chefs are overlooked most of the time, and they are the greatest repository of culinary wisdom, technique, and tradition in our country. So I'm very happy that TV9 Bharatvarsh has organized this event where talented home chefs will come. They will be presented with a challenge. And it is very nice to know that home chefs now are being recognized. I wish them well, all the competitors. So good luck to them and good luck to everybody.
फिर कहानी हमारी यहीं पे खत्म नहीं होती, ये तो सिर्फ आगाज है. We have just entered the Home Chef Challenge. Participants आ चुके हैं, मैदान सज चुका है, मिस्ट्री बॉक्स उनके सामने है. आगे पढ़ाव क्या होने जा रहा है? To know all about this, you have to stay tuned with us. Don't go anywhere. Keep watching us. We are coming for the second episode.
Home Chef Challenge co-powered by R Pure. Hospitality partner, The Grand Hotel. Supporting partner, US Pottery. Gifting partner, Vanity Wagon.